Our penultimate release for the Elder Throw is this lace zigzag pattern. The patterns are available to download from knitrowan.com. There are 4 of these panels to knit, 2 in 2 different sizes. The first 2 go either side of the centre panel, and the second 2 go in between the 2 panels from release number 6. To start, you can either choose to pick up stitches along the edges of the other panels using the techniques used in release number 1, or you can cast on the stitches and knit from that, which might be a little bit easier for these wide panels. For this pattern, we have written out the instructions for the lace as well as providing you with a chart. Some people have preferences for one or the other, and this tutorial will show you step by step how to read a chart. Let's take a look at this chart. Every row of the chart represents a row of your knitting, and you start at the bottom and work up the chart. You read right side rows from right to left and wrong side rows from left to right. Every box within each row of the chart represents an action to take, and the key at the side of the chart tells you what you need to do in the box. The pattern we are working on here is a 10-stitch repeat as indicated between these lines. So the instructions between these lines will be repeated across the row. This is the equivalent of the stars in the written instructions. The columns either side of the 10-stitch repeat are the edge stitches. These only get done at the start and end of the rows, which is these 2 stitches and these 3. I'm going to work a row of the pattern from the chart, and we're going to be on row 3. It's quite often useful to use a sticky note of some kind to indicate where you are so you're not getting confused with the rows. So to start off with, knit 2. They're the 2 edge stitches, and then we're into the 10-stitch pattern repeat. Yarn forward, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn forward, knit 1, yarn forward, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 2. And that takes you to the end of the 10-stitch pattern repeat, so you're just going to go and repeat that again. Yarn forward, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn forward, knit 1, yarn forward, slip 1, you're slipping that knit ways, knit 1, pass it over, knit 2, and repeat again. This is a 12-row pattern repeat, so once you've completed row 12, you'll just be going back down and starting row 1 again. And every wrong side row is just a purl row. When you have completed the 4 panels of this release, refer to the diagram to see which seams to join together. If you need a refresher on how to sew your seams, check back to release 4 for help with backstitch and mattress stitch. Don't forget to share your progress with us on social media. Thanks for joining in.